Hey everyone, this is Arun and welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing very well. So today in this video, I'm discussing about the question number 14 from textbook Introduction to Management Science. And this one question requires Excel solver and Excel formulas to provide the solution. So this question explains Digital Controls Inc manufactures two models of a radar gun used by police to monitor the speed of automobiles. Model A has an accuracy of plus or minus 1 mile per hour, whereas the smaller model B has accuracy of plus or minus 3 miles per hour. So here in this question and in this paragraph, they've provided the constraints which are required to fulfill the solution. And moreover, this question has already provided the formulation part. So this part serves as the formulation where we need the minimization of the variables. So this line explains the minimization parts, whereas this parts provides us the constraints. So there are four constraints: demand for model A, demand for model B, and then injection molding time, and then assembly time. So this question has four parts, and we need to provide in part A is the optimal solution and the optimal value with the objective function. Then part B provides us which constraints are binding. Then part C, what are the dual values, interpret each of them. And part D says if you could change the right side of one of the constants by unit, which one would you choose and why? So I have solved this question using Excel solver with Excel formulas. So here, as already defined in the question and then already provided, so this one is our formulation part. Our objective is to minimization the formulation, and then this one is our answer report 1. This is solved using Excel solver. Then this one is our sensitivity report, and this sheet provides us the limits report. And in this sheet, which is part A and B, so this is part A and B, and we have the constants here. This one is our changing variables. Then these are variables AM, BM, AP, and BP. This is the solver setup. And here, this one is the changing variables. Then these all are four constants as defined previously in the formulation sheet. And as our goal is to minimize the profit, so this one is our minimization. And these also 10 AM, then 6 PM, 14 AP, and 9 BP. So this is the solution for part A, which is the optimal part and the objective. So our objective is 2170, and these all are the cases for manufacture for model A, model B. Then this one is the purchase for model B, and this is our total cost. Then which constants are binding? So demand for model A, demand for model B, and then assembly time. So these all are the binding. Again, I have solved part C and part D as well for this question. And this is all parts for this question that has been discussed previously. So I hope you like this question, and if you require this Excel file for your evaluation and for your submission, you can just reach me out over my WhatsApp or email address, which I will be sharing you in the description part of this video. So thanks for watching this video, and have a great day. Take care. Bye.